So, this is my reaction video to One Guy, One Screwdriver. I mean, I've never done one of these before, so we'll see how it goes. I mean, if it's like two girls or one cup or one guy, one cup, then I really am not sure if I want to see it, but I guess why not? What is there to lose? So, here we go.
You are demons. I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own blood.
What? Oh, gross. What is wrong with him? What? Oh, that is sick. Okay. What was that? It's weird. It's it's not just gross, it's weird. Who does that? Who wants to do that? I mean, besides somebody with like a mental illness or something. It's just as bad as the one guy, one cup. It's not the gross factor like two girls, one cup, but it's sick. He's a sick person. I mean, how else do you describe somebody who does that? Yeah. Definitely never gonna watch that one again. Or any of them for that matter, I guess. But I guess that was my reaction. Not a lot to it, I guess. But see you later.